Welcome on YouTube. This is your boy Chef Fitzy with another recipe in the building today. Today I'm going to show you how to make your French fry umbrella drumstick. Alright, it's a simple meal. And I tell you, if you have kids at home, them are going to love it. Yeah man. So I'm going to teach you how to make your French fry umbrella drumsticks. Alright, so stay tuned.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. Believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, so here we have our drumsticks that we nicely wash and kind of slit to ensure that the end part of the drumstick, the meat, is down there. Alright, so that's going to give that beautiful umbrella shape of the drumsticks. Yeah, so we have also one whisk egg over here, and we have some all-purpose flour. We have some seasonings around here, some taco spice, chili powder. We have some all-purpose. Yeah, so we have a few seasonings around here. So now we're gonna add quarter teaspoon black pepper first. Alright, season up our meat nicely. Alright, then we're gonna add quarter teaspoon paprika. Alright, give it a little flavor. Alright, season up our meat nicely. We're gonna add also quarter teaspoon salt. Nice. Alright, so we're going to add some taco season. Quarter teaspoon taco season. Ensure that all our meat is seasoned up properly. Alright, we're going to add some onion powder. Another quarter teaspoon. Don't want to over season everything, but we have to make sure everything gets seasoned. Alright, we're going to add a little bit of ginger powder too. Give it a little flavor, another quarter teaspoon. Alright, we're gonna add some garlic powder, another quarter teaspoon. Alright, so then we're gonna rub in our chicken leg nicely. Our umbrella drumsticks. So kinda ensure that you take your time when you're rubbing in your chicken leg, because you want to ensure that that shape keep. Alright, so you try to keep your chicken leg up at all time like this. Keep them standing up. Yeah, so there we have our one whisk egg. We're gonna add about 3 teaspoons of milk. Alright, we're gonna add some black pepper, about quarter teaspoon. We're gonna add some paprika just for flavor. We're gonna add some salt, about a pinch of salt. Yeah, we're gonna add some chili powder to that. Alright, so we add that. We're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of plain flour. 2 teaspoons of plain flour, and then we're gonna whisk that nicely. Get that content that we need, alright? Alright? So that's the content we're looking for. Alright, so now we're gonna season our plain flour. So we add in some taco spice, half teaspoon. We're going in with pinch of black pepper. We're going with some all-purpose, half teaspoon. Alright. We're going in with some, just a pinch of salt, not a lot. Good. And we're going with some paprika again. Good. We're gonna mix that around nicely. Ensure that that is nicely mixed up. Alright, so we're going to wait on our chicken to marinate it for about half an hour, and then we come back and then we basically do the process. This chicken in egg wash. Show that the egg wash all over it. Then in flour. Yes, I stand up in the flour. Right. Good. Ensure that your entire chicken leg, your entire, why I keep saying chicken leg? Yeah, it's chicken leg. But ensure that the entire drumstick get flour. So you shake off the excess flour, you bring it over, and you lean it nicely like this. Alright? So we're going to repeat the process for the other two, and then we're going to start our frying. Alright, so here we have our drumsticks nicely seasoned, floured, and ready to fry. Alright, we're also using a cube of Irish potato. Alright, I'm going to show you the reason why I'm using that. Alright, here we have about a cup and a half of oil. So we're going to use the potato here, and we're going to put it in the exact middle. So put it in the exact middle of your pot. Alright, so you're going to allow your oil to get a little bit hot more, and then we're going to start to place our drumsticks inside the pot. Alright, so now we're going to start place our drumsticks inside of it. Alright, so we're going to kind of hold up our drumsticks like this, and then we're going to try to lean it on the side of the potato. Ensure that you push out that fillet part there. So you're going to lean it on the side of the potato. Alright? Alright, so after about a minute or two, you're kind of lean your drumsticks now. You can lean them to ensure that all the sides and the top of the drumstick is basically getting to fry. And I'll lean it. You see how I lean them nicely. Alright? So you see your drumstick them kind of cut up there now. And well set up nice, yeah? Allow that to fry for another 4 to 5 minutes. So after 5 to 6 minutes, this is how our umbrella drumsticks look. They found. So you can basically turn them nicely. Alright? Turn them to ensure that all the sides is getting right. I'm ready to take out, yeah? Alright? Umbrella drumsticks almost ready. Whoa. Alright. So now we're going to remove our drumsticks, yeah? Can you see? Put them standing. Keep them standing up, yeah? Look at this. Nice and ready. Look at our drumsticks, so they look beautiful. Yeah? Look at it, look at it. Nice and ready, look at it. Alright? And there you have it, guys. Our nice French fry umbrella drumsticks. Look at how beautiful them is, yeah? Yeah, man, I tell you, your kids gonna love it. Yeah, man, serve up with some nice jumbo fries. Alright, look at how beautiful them is. Nice. Yeah, man. So I hope you guys try this. I'm telling you, this is a nice, excited drumstick special. Yeah, man. So I hope you guys continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy Needham on YouTube, and also Chef Fitzroy Needham on Instagram and on Facebook. Alright? So that's it for me. I'm out. Have a good
Hey, don't know.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread